do I have a surprise for you? I put this together just for your class, and we're doing a combination of these two. They're going to be 3 little bluebirds, okay? So you're going to need water, a little palette, something like this with reservoirs for your water and your paint colors. You might have it built in when you open up your flap if you have little hard watercolors. I don't have those. So you are going to need, besides having a paintbrush like this or this with a point on it, okay? And maybe a couple of other little varieties in case you want to use it, but you do need a pointed one. Okay? And the colors I have decided to use are going to be, we're going to need some black. Don't use your teeth. Black. We're going to need yellow for our sun. Don't use your teeth. And blue. Blue and yellow make green. So we're also using green, but we don't have to pull out a green, okay? And I have a bad hand, so I can't use my fingers right now, but as soon as I have surgery, I will. So, but don't you use your teeth. So we have the colors of black, yellow, and blue. Okay, so let's start this. Got your paper? Whatever you're using, watercolor paper, cardstock, whatever you can find around your house, okay? Will work. Let's start. I'm gonna lower my camera. Rah! There we go. Let's do this then. So, make sure you can see me and my watercolors and my water. And of course, a paper towel. Very handy, and you're gonna want one. So, let's go ahead and not have our paper vertical. We're gonna go horizontal. There you go. Let's dip it into some water, our little paintbrush. Get some water on there. And I want you to go ahead and make 3 little circles. One right there, one right there, and let's have a little short guy. Actually, I want a short guy. Flip over your paper, because we can do that. Flip it over. Boom, we're starting over. We want a short guy right here. So go ahead and put a round circle right there. Then put a taller one over here. And a taller one over here. Now I want you to get your brush in your water again and get into some of your blue. Get your paintbrush all loaded with some of this blue. So sometimes you have to add a lot of water if you have those little paints that are all put together in a little box for you, huh? Get it all wet and get some blue. And I want you to drop some blue, like this and that one. Drop some blue in the little short guy. And drop some blue in his little brother, who's taller, okay? He's actually gonna be squatting a little bit, okay? So he's actually gonna be tall. Now get a little more blue on your brush. And I want you to go ahead and go whoop, like that. Can you do that for me? And on this one, go whoop, just like that. This one, whoop, just like that. Got it? I bet you do. Now I want you to get some water on your brush. And I want you to take this and pull it down on the sides. Pull it down, just down. Make sure it's more darker on the sides. And go ahead and do the same one with this one. And if you need more water to move that, you do it. You can do that. And then a little more on this one too, okay? Pull that down. See how we colored it? Did you get that done? All right, dip your brush and get it into the black. Got your black on there? Get it all inky. Now I want you to go around and go whoop, whoop. Make those noises, it makes it fun. Whoop. Clean off your brush. Tap it. Get into your blue again. And let's go whoop. Get into your blue again. Whoop. Whoop. Got that? Now I want you to go ahead, take your brush. See how I'm moving that like this? Move your paint around. And then just lightly go on the side. Want to do that again? Here we go. Let's just move our paint. So I'm just taking it and sliding it like this. Slide it. And then just take the point of it and go whoop, whoop. Here we go again. Slide it. It might be getting dry. You might have to add a little water. Whoop. Whenever it's dry and you can't get it to move, you just get yourself some water, okay? And boom. You got that? I bet you do. Now let's get our paintbrush wet again if your black isn't watery. Now, I want you to make his little legs. And you can pick up your paper. And I want you to hold it up. Oh, my hand hurts. Too bad to hold that up. Oh, we'll have Carmen help me. Thank you, Carmen.
You're welcome.
So now, we're going to go right here and just really lightly, as light as you can make it. Let's give him a longer legs, huh? Little feet. 1, 2, 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Let's do this guy over here. Whoop. Whoop. Get into your paint again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now this little guy's funny. Let's put his legs out like this. What? What? And maybe his feet, maybe he's fallen. Look, he's crazy. Now you can make their feet darker by adding a little more, their legs a little darker, or their feet by just adding more black. And you can do this after I'm off too. You can just do all this stuff once the video is over. Come back and work on it all by yourself, okay? Now let's make some eyeballs. Let's get into our black. And we got one eyeball here, one eyeball there, and we need a beak. Let's make a triangle that's upside down. Boom, just like that. Let's go over here. He's got an eyeball, he's got an eyeball, and he's got a beak. Whoop, whoop. And an eyeball. An eyeball, and another beak. What? What? All right, now we can fill those out in with yellow here in a minute. So let's clean off our brushes, and thankfully we have Carmen to help me hold my paper up for me. Now, let's get into our straight yellow. Okay, I'm going to show you something really fun. We are going to go ahead and make a sun. Where should we want it? Where do we want it? Maybe right here. Whoop. Make your sun just like that. Then get into your water. Just get your brush into your water. And then take the water and move. Here, we'll go ahead and sit this back a little and slide it. Oh, that hurts my hand. And slide it, slide it. Look. We are using the painted line to make our sun. Whoop, just like that. My cat's coming to say hi to you. All right, now let's go ahead and get a little grass down there. How do we make green? Yes, we know. Yellow. That is, hey, Mickey, move. Sorry about that, guys. But sometimes my kitty cat likes to come and visit. Right when I'm painting. Yellow, get it in a reservoir. A little bit of yellow.
The sun is about to drip.
Ah, yep. Lay it flat when your sun's getting ready to drip. And then a little bit of blue. And voila, green. Look at that. You can make it dark green or light green. Maybe a little more yellow if you want a little bit brighter. I want mine brighter. How about you? All right. How are we going to do this, guys? I will show you. We're going to take it and we're going to go lightly up, just like that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Long ones, little ones, tall ones, all the way. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, whoop. And add maybe a little bit of green dots up here. Maybe some over here. Maybe there. It's your painting, huh? You get to do whatever you want. Okay, now the beak. If you want the beak to be yellow, get into your yellow and add a little bit of yellow onto his beak. Just like that. You could even get into your red or your orange if you wanted it to be brighter. What makes orange? Red. And again, you don't have to do this. I'm just showing you. But you can get into your water, get into your yellow and your red. And we've already got a little yellow on there. So when you mix them, it should be orange. And mine's a little darker orange. But I like that. If you don't, you just add a little more yellow. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Now, my nose is spreading a little bit, and sometimes that happens. So you just do this. Whoop. 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 Just like that. And I kind of like that look. But if you don't, we all know. Grab your black paint again, and you can do anything you want. Just like that, okay? And you can go back and make it any color you would like. Next thing we're gonna do is grab our marker or a pen, whichever one you wanna use. You may even wanna use a pencil, I don't know. But let's say I'm going to use a marker, a Sharpie. Carmen, can you take that off for me? Oh, thank you, Carmen.
You're welcome.
Then, let's go ahead and make some flowers coming out of this, okay? Maybe one right here. Whoop, 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 and down. And maybe there's another one coming up right there. Maybe this one is, aren't my flowers fun? I think that's enough unless you want more. I don't think I do. I don't think I do. And now I'm going to go ahead and outline my birds. You don't have to do this either. This is just if you want it to stick out a little bit more. Aren't they cute? Little baby bluebirds. And voila! You can't even outdo your son. You can go ahead and do anything you want and have just so much fun with this. And I hope you guys did. Let's sign it. 2020. 2020. Well, I think that's adorable. And I think your mom and dad will love it too. Maybe you can give it to your mom for Mother's Day. I don't know. Maybe you'll just want to hang it in your room. I hope you have fun. I thought this was so cute and so fun, and thank you again for having me. I'll talk to you hopefully soon.